Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you want to see the battery percentage just like I have here, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings and find the battery. So you have to scroll down to almost very bottom. So let's tap on the battery, and as you can see on the third position we've got the battery percentage option, and after tapping on it you can see that we've got three different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this option do not show, which simply means that you've got the battery indicator, but you can set next to the battery icon, which I just had applied. So the percentage will be applied next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. And as you can see, after tapping on this option, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will appear inside the battery icon. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. So actually this is it. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.